All right, there's a lot of Blink camera reviews out there, how to's, all that kind of stuff. And so I really don't want this to be a how to use your Blink camera, because one of the biggest problems, the biggest cons with the Blink camera is that you mount it up high and then you got to go and you got to charge it, right? And so I love this little setup that I got here with the solar charger for my Blink camera. And I wanted to show that to you because I don't have to climb up a ladder anymore. I don't have to climb up, grab it, charge it, put it back. No, I can set it and forget it. 24 hours a day, 365. As long as the sun is out, this thing is getting charged and topping off, right? And if we don't have sun, then we got bigger problems to fix. But this little miniature 2K camera, I mean, if you've seen any other reviews, then you're already gonna know it's super easy to set up. It gives you the great motion alerts. You just connect it to your Wi-Fi and it is good to go. It's one of the top security systems out there where you can pair it with others. So you just get one, you can get a couple more, you can have different angles, all that kind of stuff. It goes right to your phone, emotion sensors. So if in the middle of the night or something goes by, it's going to pick it up, it's going to alert you, it's going to come right to your phone. So nothing really can be said differently than what's already being said about these Blink awesome outdoor cameras, other than the fact that pick yourself up one of these housings, connect it, get a solar connection, and leave it always on. I mean, that's what I do. So basically, if you're just looking for a simple outdoor camera solution, pair it with the solar and you're going to be glad you did. No more climbing the ladders, no more changing batteries, just set it and forget it.